I am here to present the presentation on data analysis and my target achievement both. So what is data? Data is nothing but a raw piece of information. For me, it may value something or may not, because it's not interpreted as yet. So the most important point is that data is useful to the client in two means. Either we are helping him to buy, or we are adding some value by giving some data to him. For example, if the client himself does not know that this piece of data was relevant to him before meeting me, so I had added some value to my meeting. So steps of data analysis. The steps of data analysis include objective of data analysis. First of all, the proposition we are making is supported by the data we present, basically. Then the strategy will formulate, that also depends on the data. And to appraise the situation. For example, the client is doing tremendously well in some kind of markets. We can show him that, sir, in this market your product is doing very well, and in this market maybe you need some improvement. We can also see the trends or absolute conclusions from the data. For example, if the client was performing last year in these 2 to 3 months, but this year it's not, so we can show him that these were the trends you were following last year, but this year it's not the same. Outcome or cause as well. We can either get out the outcomes, or we can also discuss the cause of the trend, whatever it was. Where do we get the data? The data is first of all readily available, like newspapers and the websites, collated from different sources, like there are n number of sources. There are websites, there are the internal data also, and in the meetings we get some data, so we can do that also. Create a database. For example, what we do is we meet the client, we get some information on the client's hierarchy, the agency hierarchy, the business they are planning, the launches they are planning. So this is my first hand data I can collect. And the research, that we always have a research study with us, so we can get data from there also. So types of data may include the client data, that would be the first hand data. If client is sharing something from his side to me, that is the data that I am getting first hand. Internal MIS, there is a department in our office also which provides us with the data when we require, and the IRS and ADEX also supports a lot. Arranging the data is the most important point, because the numbers if they are in a group, they don't mean. If they are arranged in a proper format, they make sense. Analyze the data. Data analysis gives us the few important points like growth, defaults, and the trends also, year on year or month on month. Conclusion from data analysis leads us to a conclusion, like whether the client is looking for a same kind of business this year or not. Action plan based on data, and what data will I look at to evaluate my action plan. Can we see what cannot be seen? Data is just like seeing the unseen. It's just like statistics, and data is just like a bikini. What it reveals is suggestive, what it conceals is vital. If you are well prepared with the data, you are more than half done. Now the half yearly targets versus achievement. My target was 2.40, targets achieved till date is 1.02. I still have 1.38 to achieve. The secured business is 0.56 CR from 2 of my accounts, Uninor and Coke. The expected business accounts to about 0.80, the total would be 1.36 CR. And the plan B would be, I will pitch Shad offer to each and every client wherever possible, optimizing the existing clients and breaking the deals also.